If carbon is always carbon, why do some carbon atoms weigh more than others? Let's find out what isotopes are. You already know atoms have protons, neutrons, and electrons. The atomic number counts protons. The mass number counts protons plus neutrons. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with different numbers of neutrons. Carbon-12 has 6 neutrons, carbon-13 has 7, carbon-14 has 8. Relative atomic mass is the weighted average. Multiply each mass by its percentage abundance, add them up, then divide by 100. Students often think isotopes have different electrons. No, same protons, same electrons, same chemical properties, only neutrons change. Remember, same P, same E, different N. Isotopes are twins with different weight. That's your exam tip. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.